We all know the BMC elections are right around the corner, with the polling date set for January 15 and counting scheduled for January 16. This time, political battles are unpredictable, unexpected alliances are forming, opposition parties are gearing up, and many wards are witnessing keen contests. But as the poll date draws near, just 8 days away, a major question looms. Why hasn't the final voters list for all 227 wards been fully published yet? See, voter lists are the backbone of any election. If they aren't ready, how can campaigns be fair? How can voters check if their names are on the roll? Which entries are genuine and which are duplicate or errors? We'll break it down. Hello, this is Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Let's start with what's happening right now. Even though the election date is very close and rules clearly say the final voter list must be published before polling, we are still seeing delays in releasing the full ward-wise voter list across Mumbai. The State Election Commission had announced deadlines earlier, but those deadlines were pushed back repeatedly. The official explanation was that errors and duplicate names needed to be removed from the voter list, and that's when a major issue surfaced. Officials found around 11 lakh duplicate voter entries, because of which the voter list publication, which should have been completed earlier, got delayed beyond December 10. Naturally, one big question comes up. Why were 11 lakh duplicates discovered so late in the process? The answer goes back to a decision taken in August. The State Election Commission Chairman Dinesh Wagmare sought permission from Election Commission of India to skip the mandatory voter verification process, known as the Special Summary Revision, citing staff shortage and lack of time before elections. So instead of verifying the cleaning voter data first, the voter list was prepared first and cleaned later. When the draft voter list was finally published on November 20, the scale of the problem became clear: 11 lakh duplicate entries. This matters because it explains why the situation reached this point. It wasn't a random clerical error, but the result of a conscious administrative choice to prioritize speed over accuracy. Now the Election Commission says voter list will be published ward by ward when they are finalized, instead of waiting for the entire city's list to be ready. That's why the final voter list for all 227 wards hasn't been published yet. The process remains incomplete across the entire city. Officials say the delay is due to technical reasons and their focus on accuracy. They argue duplicates are being removed, errors are being corrected, and no eligible voters should be excluded. And with Mumbai having more than 1 crore voters, they say verification naturally takes time. But on the ground, this delay has real consequences. Candidates say without a final voter list, campaigning becomes difficult. They don't know exactly who the voters are, where they are registered, or whether key areas are being properly covered. Ordinary citizens are also affected. Many voters say they still can't check whether their names are on the list or whether their details are corrected. And time is running out. Opposition parties have strongly criticized the situation. Earlier, MNS Chief Raj Thackeray demanded the election should not be held until voter lists are cleaned, saying fair polls are impossible with lakhs of duplicate names. Shiv Sena UBT leader Aditya Thackeray cited voters over 100 years old, fake addresses and mass registrations, calling it deliberate vote chori. The Congress filed bulk objections and forced the Election Commission to make the duplicate voter list public. Civic activist Anil Gagali said the delay denies voters their basic right to verify their names before voting. The Election Commission has defended its process, saying duplicate names have been removed. Remaining entries flagged and corrections are ongoing. But critics ask why these errors weren't caught before the list were published. With just 8 days left before voting, the final voter list for all 227 wards is still incomplete, and voters have very little time to verify their details. There is no indication that polls will be postponed. Voting is on January 15 and counting on January 16. So here's what we need to understand. The entire voter list for the complete city of 227 wards hasn't been finalized just 8 days before the election. This is a systematic failure, not a minor delay. Now tell us in the comments, do you think fair elections are possible under these circumstances? How much does this voter list delay concern you? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching Lokmat Times.